Ever seen a cat dressed like the devil himself? Well, hold on to your boots, partner. This ride's about to get spooky. But first, hit that like and subscribe before these cats hex ya. First up, Devil Cat. Next up, Dracula Cat. Next up, Chucky Cat. Next up, Skinwalker Cat. But here's the twist. He ain't cursed. He's just mad. Somebody said dogs are cuter. So remember, folks, never disrespect a cat, or they'll haunt your midnight snacks. Like, comment, and subscribe before it's too late.